I'm going to make a simple bottle opener with this piece of 12mm round stock, which is about 6 inches long. At this point, I've cooled off the bottle opener just to make sure that it's going to work, that the distance here is correct, and that the curve that I put on here, when you saw me hitting it on top of that on that ball, I was just creating a curve so that it'll hug the bottle cap shape. So here's a beer I'm going to drink later. So I'm just going to see. Yeah, it looks like it'll be perfect. It'll lift it just nicely right here while applying pressure right about the middle of the cap. So now I'll turn it around and just do something on the other end. Punch a hole in it, put my mark on it maybe. You can do whatever you like. after filing and then reheating, I just let this piece cool in the air. And it has a nice skin of scale on it, which should prevent rust from happening too quickly. And if you leave it indoors and keep it oiled, it shouldn't rust. And if it did, it wouldn't matter much for this piece. It's just a bottle opener. Sometimes, in fact, I want pieces to be rusted, and there are ways to speed up that process, and we could probably go over that in another video. I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Castile Dunker. Perfect. Stay blacksmithing, my friends.